Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need one of these, a SIM eject tool, and it comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you get one of those, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right here. There we go. So push the pin in, and the tray pops out. Once you take out the tray, you will have space on it for one SIM card, or two SIM cards and one SD card. There we go. And from there you can insert it back into the device. As you can see, SIM card is working, it's requiring a pin. So I'm going to confirm it. And let's unlock it and look for the SD card, which I can already see it is working as well based on the notification right here. So that is how you insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.